Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view payment history in Bluevine. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time. Just going to show you how to get this done in under 60 seconds. Alright, so let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. Then from the main menu, select transactions or payment history. Now use the filter option to sort by date range, transaction types, or payee, and you can view deposits, withdrawals, bill payments, and transfers. Tap on individual transactions to see detailed information, including payment methods, confirmation number, and processing status. Export your transaction history if needed. On the web, you can usually download a CSV or PDF report for accounting or record-keeping purposes. Regularly review your payment history to reconcile accounts, identify unauthorized transactions, and track recurring payments. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.